Welcome back to this channel for practice problems for actuarial exams. We'll look at a problem for exam MFE today. My name is Krzysztof Ostaszewski. You can find information about me at smarturl.it/Jedi, this website here. I direct the actuarial program at Illinois State University. You can find information about it at smarturl.it/actuary. And if you would like to make a tax-deductible donation to our program, you can go to smarturl.it/help ISU actuary. Which statement about zero-cost purchased colors is false? As zero-width, zero-cost color can be created by setting both the put and call strike prices at the forward price. B. There are an infinite number of zero-cost colors. C. The put option can be at the money. D. The call option can be at the money. E. The strike price on the put option must be at or below the forward price. So remember, we're looking for a statement that is false. A is true. A purchased zero-width collar equals a portfolio of short call and long put, with these two options having the same strike price. This is equivalent to a short forward position, with the price at which the forward is entered into being the common strike price of both options. But a forward transaction is costless if its price is the forward price. That's the definition of the forward price. That's the price at which you enter into a forward contract costless, unless there are transaction costs. So A is true. B is also true because once we create a zero-cost collar by varying strike prices of both the call and the put, we can create infinitely many positions with zero cost. Note that B does not assume that the collar is zero width. In fact, there is no assumption about the strike prices at all, and they're just a zero cost. C is true. The put option can be at the money, and then the strike price of the call option needs to be chosen appropriately. However, a zero-cost collar, in a zero-cost collar, there are some restrictions on the range of strike prices for the call and put option, as we will see when we discuss D. So as always, when you have to go through all the possible answers to find the answer choice is always D in that situation. D is the answer choice here. D is false. And the reason why it's D is because most people start, when you have to try all five, most people start with A, then they try B, get frustrated, go to E, it doesn't work, so they go back to C, and D is the last choice they try. So D is the right way to set it up. So always try D first. Anyway, recall that a zero-cost, zero-width collar, I probably should admit that given that the computer picks the order of questions now, it may not work. Order of possible answers, I'm sorry. So recall that a zero-cost, zero-width collar is created at the exercise price of both the call and the put. If we keep the color at zero width, but lower the price from forward price to spot, for example, because forward price is the spot price accumulated at the risk-free rate, so assuming that the interest rate is positive, call premium will go up while put premium will go down. As we lower the price, the call becomes more valuable and put less valuable. To make the collar zero cost, we would have to either lower the call premium by increasing its exercise price while keeping the put at the money. This is what happened in C. Or increase the put premium by increasing the exercise price while keeping the call at the money. But in the collar, put exercise price is supposed to be below the call exercise price. So you can't do this. So D is false. E is true. If the put strike price XP is above the forward price, where AV denotes the accumulated value, so forward price is the accumulated value of a spot price, and XC is the call strike price, then we would have XC greater than or equal to XP greater than F. Let C prime be the price of the call with exercise price XP. Then 0, which is C minus P, is less than or equal to C prime minus P, which is equal to S minus present value of XP by put call parity, which is present value of F minus present value of XP, which is present value of F minus XP, and, well, that would be less than 0. And that's a contradiction because the left-hand side is 0. Therefore, for a zero-cost color, the put strike price cannot exceed the forward price. So E is true, and the answer choice is D. Please remember this is copyrighted material, and problems from the Society of Actuaries, like this one is a problem from a sample published by the Society of Actuaries, belong to the Society of Actuaries, reproduced here with permission. But the solution is mine. Well, good luck in your studies and good luck on the test.